Hello. In this lesson, we will discuss about determiner. Determiner is not considered as traditional parts of speech, but occasionally they are considered as parts of speech, and it comes before a noun and it gives more information about noun. Determiner is like adjective, but they are slightly different. So don't be confused with adjective. Let's see some types. First and most used type is article. I know you have idea about articles, but I'll talk to make your base more stronger. First type is indefinite article, and they are a and an. When something is mentioned for the first time, we use a or an. When a is used, when noun begins with consonant sound or consonant, then a is used. And when an is used, when noun begins with vowel sound or actual vowel, we use an. Now we'll talk about definite article. The is the definite article. Noun is one of a kind when, and when noun already known. Don't worry, we'll show some examples in the later. He saw a cat. She took an hour nap. Look, C is a consonant, so A is used, and hour is consonant, but it sounds hour, a. So N is used. The sun is a star. As sun is a known thing, known noun, so D is used. Same as the Pacific Ocean covers about 1/3 of the Earth's surface. I talked before, when something is introduced for the first time, then indefinite is used, and for the first sentence you know about this, so you can use definite article. Let's see it. I saw a cat. As we saw a cat, then we can say the cat was black. We do not use an here. You should know when no article is used. When plural or uncountable noun, then you should not use article. She likes dogs. No article is used before dogs. I drink water only when get thirsty. I did not use any A or D or N before W, water, because water is uncountable. There are some other types we discussed in adjective section. So we just mention the names, and in next tutorial we show some difference between adjective and determiner. So we just naming those types: demonstrative, possessive, adjective, quantifier, actually positive adjective, also positive determiner. Quantifier, that means some quantity, and number 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally interrogative questions: what, which, whose. So that's all for today. If you like my lessons, please do subscribe. Thank you.